Hello everyone, here's a Plumeria flower arrangement I made today. Happy Palm Sunday to all of you, to those who are in Asia. Of course, tomorrow is our Palm Sunday here. And this is my Echeveria Hercules bloom. So beautiful. And today is the start of Holy Week, Passion Week. It's before the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. And this is my Vanda Imperial Orchid, Mikasa Princess. It's a long name. And this is my Areca palm. We have a lot of these in our property. I love it because they give shade to this beautiful orchid. Look at that. This is this Vanda Imperial. I love making bouquets. It makes me happy. So therapeutic. Just smelling this aroma, guys. I prefer the scent of this. Can't get enough of it. And thank you to all of you. And please don't forget to subscribe. And stay safe and healthy. Bye bye for now.